Evidence at your fingertips. This is what a dash cam affords you. Even if you consider yourself a good and experienced driver, you just never know when you need that extra recording of a car tailgating you, or worse, crashing against your beloved car's rear end. Dash cams have proved over the years that they are not just accessories, but are a true necessity in every car. So if you're looking to get your first one or upgrade to another model, we have just the thing for you. Because of their popularity, lots and lots of models with a plethora of features and functionalities are available in the market. It's all about finding the right one that suits your needs and budget best. We know it can get a little overwhelming, so in today's video, we're going to show you a dash cam that we think is right up your alley. In this video, we're going to review the 70 MAI Dash Cam M500. Without giving it much thought, it's pretty easy to just grab the cheapest or most popular dash cam in the market. Why do you even have to do research when they all do the same job, that is, record footage? Well, ask yourself, what do you want in a dash cam? Do you want high-resolution recording with decent frames per second? Do you want a parking mode? Do you want an app companion where you can easily sync recorded footage? Most importantly, do you want something that meets your expectations? Well, stay tuned because we will be reviewing the 70 MAI Dash Cam M500, a hot pick for this year. If you're interested in tech-related content like this, turn on notifications and consider subscribing to our channel. Imagine a powerful dash cam that's as compact as a lady's lipstick. From the get-go, 70 MAI M500 is visibly compact, sleek, and space-saving. The design is ergonomic, and you get none of the distracting bulkiness that other dash cams bring with them. You can place it behind a rearview mirror and forget that it's even there while driving. It's that compact. With dimensions of 5 inches by 1 inch, M500 almost fits the category of pocket-sized things. So what are the features that make this particular dash cam a top choice for 2022? Let's begin with the cameras. Unfortunately, the M500 does not have a rear camera, but it does have a 5 megapixel one with a wide-angle 170-degree lens that covers common blind spots. Field view is highly improved with a 2592 by 1944 pixel resolution, along with a high-definition range that increases visibility in brightly lit or poorly illuminated locations. As for the resolution, the 2592 by 1944 pixels may not be a 4K, but hey, that's still 2.5 times better than your average 1080p HD dash cam, so it can still capture crisp and detailed videos and images in different conditions. This might make all you 4K fans out there frown, but remember that a higher resolution camera produces footage with big file sizes. Therefore, you would have to deal with full SD cards or buy one with a higher MB just to accommodate 4K footage. Based on our test, M500 resolution is already ample for everyday driving. It gives you clear returns in your videos during daytime and uses a night vision feature to capture footage at night. If you're liking our review so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if the M500 already intrigued you, do check out the link in the description. Back to our review. Now that we've mentioned SD cards, did we say that you don't need one to make the M500 work? If you are a seasoned dashcam user, chances are you've already dealt with inconveniences involving SD cards. Sometimes you have to reformat them, sometimes they become corrupt, and sometimes it's a pain to keep encountering the same issues again and again. Well, failed SD cards are pretty common among dashcams whether we like it or not. This is why the M500's built-in eMMC storage is a much welcome change. This memory format gives you quick read and write speeds which significantly reduces the risk of footage corruption. This dash cam comes with a 3M sticky back where you're meant to mount the camera. The sticky back allows you to install it on your windshield. Since the mount that's attached to the windshield is not fixed to the camera itself, you can take your camera with you without messing up the installation in your car. Will you stick with an SD card, or is the M500's built-in storage a huge welcome for you? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech content like this. Moving on to other features. Another thing we liked about the M500 is its 24-hour parking mode. While some other models may already have this, most dash cams just make use of motion sensors to trigger parking mode, meaning that there is still a little leeway for mishaps to slide from getting caught as a glaring evidence. M500's parking mode is designed to time-lapse recording whenever your car is parked and compress it into a few minutes of video. This also saves you time because you can quickly see and pause if something fishy has happened while you're away. Now that we've mentioned about saving time, this dashcam has its own application that is highly functional. Each of us has their own phones anyway, so this feature is very convenient. With the app, you can adjust a generous amount of settings and configurations. You can simply download the app on Google Play or Apple Store. Through the help of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connecting your phone to your dash cam, you can replay footage immediately, especially during crucial situations. The M500 sure is sounding good, but we're not done yet. Don't forget to check the link in the description box to see where you can get your own M500. Well, what if you got into a traffic accident? How do you prove your innocence? Now we're taking a look at the GPS and GLONASS positioning. This is perhaps the coolest feature of this dash cam and something that sets it apart from competitors. There is an inbuilt chip inside it that can communicate with GPS and GLONASS satellites. You can track your route with real-time data, which also gives you speed reading, time, and coordinates. We know it can be scary knowing that something tracks your location, but with this dash cam, you don't have to worry about that. All your data is stored locally in the device itself, so it will never be shared in any clouds or servers. Another feature of this tiny beast is its voice control that does not only record, but also accepts voice commands from the user. There's an array of commands that you can find listed in the manual, such as start recording or take photo. We didn't have any issues trying these commands out, and the experience was convenient. One last thing, the M500 also has the ability to monitor your tire pressure. You'd have to buy them separately, but the 70 MAI has their own smart tire caps you can replace your old ones with. Moreover, you can access the pressure monitor on the app. Plus, the dashcam alerts you if pressure falls beneath recommended levels. That ends our video. So what do you think about the M500? Will you settle for a single camera with all these features, or would you prefer a 2 or 3 channel model? Let us know in the comments below. Dashcams are not only accessories, but are a necessity in your vehicle. There are a lot of criteria when picking the best one, but we think that something as packed as the M500 is a worthwhile find. It's alright to spend a little more money if that means you have peace of mind that whatever happens while you're on the road, you have that cushion of evidence to always back you. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. We have fresh tech content, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.